my beautiful people. I'm your host, Andrea, and welcome back to another episode of Limitless AF, the podcast where we break limits, step into our power, and create lives that are unapologetically ours. Now listen, I don't know who pressed fast forward on this year, but it's giving whiplash. Like, how the hell did we go from summer to seeing stockings in the store overnight? People have already put up their Christmas decorations. Mariah's warming up her vocals, and some people are out here acting brand new. Meanwhile, I'm still trying to remember what day of month it is. But honey, we're not doing the chaos this year. We're not rushing. We're not overextending, because it's the holiday season, not hustle season. So go ahead, grab your tea, pour you some wine, light that candle that makes you feel like you have your life all together, and settle in, because today we're keeping it cozy, we're keeping it real. You know what? Let's just have a girl talk. Can someone please tell me why it feels like we blinked in July and woke up and it's November? 1 minute I was losing my mind at the Beyonce concert in Vegas, and the next, I'm in the mall seeing all the Christmas decorations and thinking, didn't we just put up the fall decorations? But honestly, this is my favorite time of year. It always has been. I love Thanksgiving. There's something about the vibe, the smells, the food, the music. It just hits different. Like when I was growing up, the night before Thanksgiving was an event. My mom would be in the kitchen, pots and pans would be everywhere because she was getting her bake on. And that includes her famous sweet potato pie, which people still to this day have her bring to any function. She would be blasting music from Marvin Gaye, Al Green, and she loves the blues. So Tyrone Davis and Johnny Taylor were definitely playing as well. And the smell of butter, onions, and soul food always took over the whole house. Okay, I'm literally making myself hungry right now, so I'm going to stop talking about so much food. I would always sit there and watch and even help because I knew that meant I got to taste test everything. And I got to lick the cake bowl when she was done. Now that tradition carried right into my life right now, except it's me, my husband, and our girls. No big crowd, no random cousins showing up with to-go plates, just us. We watch the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, we laugh, we dance, we talk about old memories. Hubby makes his amazing breakfast omelets that morning, and then he gets the turkey and ham on the grill. Okay, I said I was going to stop talking about food, but here we go again. But yeah, you heard me right, the grill. And just like my mom, I do all the baking the day before and cook all the items for dinner that morning and afternoon. It's something about smelling everything together on Thanksgiving Day that just fills my heart with so much joy. It's simple, it's peaceful, it's ours. And that's what I love about this season. It's not about doing the most, it's about being present. When it comes to Thanksgiving, I'm not one of those women who are stressed out, drowning in dishes and hiding in the kitchen like it's a battlefield. That has never been my story. I genuinely love Thanksgiving. And as I mentioned earlier, it's my favorite holiday, hands down. And part of why I love it so much is because I've created a system that feels good for me and my family. I'm a clean as you go kind of woman, so there's never a mountain of dishes waiting for me after dinner because I reset while I cook. Wipe down things, wash as I go, and by the time we sit down to eat, the kitchen already looks like I had a whole staff in there, even though usually it was just me. It makes the whole day feel peaceful instead of chaotic, and the best part, after dinner, we clean up together. No arguments, no whose turn is it, well, most of the time. Usually everybody grabs something. We knock it out as a team, and then we can actually relax and enjoy the rest of the night. That's our rhythm. That's our tradition. It's easy, it's us, and it works. But look, I'm not chasing perfection for social media, but I do love our version of perfect. The music playing in the background, the smells of everything baking, the girls popping in and out of the kitchen, the little Hey, come taste this real quick. Those moments, that's what makes the day special for me. Remember, nobody ever remembers the napkin color. Nobody's grading the presentation. They remember how it felt to be in the room, the warmth, the laughter, the comfort, and of course the smell. Now don't get it twisted. I am absolutely a paper plate kind of woman on Thanksgiving because I'm all for easy cleanup. But the baked goods? Oh no, honey, I am never purchasing that from the store. Now, if somebody else wants to bring a store-bought pie to their Thanksgiving celebration, they can. But in my house, dessert is my territory. My kitchen stays undefeated. And at the end of the day, Thanksgiving isn't pressure for me. It's joy. It's tradition. It's a chance to slow down and enjoy my people in a way that feels good, not exhausting. And I'll never apologize for loving it exactly the way we do it. Now let me share something I've grown to appreciate as I've gotten older. It's not slow mornings, because Lord knows I don't get enough of those. It's the moments where I can just be still. Even if it's 5 minutes between the chaos, that breath, that pause, that little reset, that's my version of luxury these days. And during the holidays, simplicity hits different. I'll turn my 90s playlist on, Mary J, Toni Braxton, SWV, unless it's after Thanksgiving, because then it's all about my Christmas playlist. But either way, the whole house shifts instantly. I'm in the kitchen seasoning something, hubby's watching sports, the girls are doing their own thing, and somehow we always find time to talk trash and laugh about absolutely nothing. But that right there, that's the good stuff. That's the kind of joy you can't stage, curate, or fake. So yeah, for me, the holidays aren't about trying to create a picture-perfect moment. They're about actually feeling the moment, letting things breathe a little, letting the house be full, letting the warmth take over. That's simplicity, that's peace. That's gratitude in motion, without all the performance. And if you're listening to this while you're running errands, cleaning up, driving, cooking, whatever your life looks like right now, take this as your reminder to find your own pockets of stillness. That's all you need. You don't need the house perfectly quiet. You don't need a whole spa day. Just one moment to breathe and let your shoulders drop. And honestly, that's the part I love most about this season, the quiet reminders of how far we've come without even realizing it. Because November always puts me in that in-between space. Like I'm not wrapping up the year yet, but I'm definitely shifting gears. The air gets colder, the days get shorter, and suddenly I'm craving comfort more than chaos. And I don't know if it's an age thing or a grown woman thing, but I'm not sprinting through the holidays anymore. I want to actually enjoy them. I want the candle lit, the music on, and the vibe right. I want the moments. I don't want the madness. And maybe you feel the same way. Maybe you're tired of making the holidays a whole project. Maybe you're done being everywhere for everybody. Maybe this is the year you let things just be simple. Let things be easy. Yo, just let things be enough. Because you don't have to go into December trying to make up for the year. You're not behind. You're not failing. You're not in a race. You're in a season. And seasons aren't meant to be rushed. They're meant to be lived. So if you've been feeling that pull to slow down, go ahead and breathe a little deeper and protect your energy just a little bit more. Just trust it. Choosing ease isn't laziness. Choosing quiet isn't avoidance. Choosing joy isn't selfish. That's just grown woman alignment. And November is the perfect time to lean into it. All right, my loves, I hope this episode gave you a moment to exhale and actually feel the good in this season. Not just rush through it. Let yourself have the joy, the laughs that hit out of nowhere, the softness, the nostalgia that makes this season feel like a warm hug. You deserve that just as much as anyone else in your house. And if this conversation spoke to you, go ahead and share it on your Instagram stories. And don't forget to tag me so I can send you some love for listening. I'll catch you next time on Limitless AF. Until then, slow down when you can, savor what feels good, and let the moments that matter find you. And remember, you are limitless, you are fierce, and honey, there's nothing you can't do.